Yeah, what up, my people? Yeah, I have some people saying trendline doesn't work again. No, that's not very true. That's a big lie. Trendline still work, but you have to apply some smart money concept to your trendline. If you want your trendline to work perfectly, you can't just be trading trendline blindly. You have to combine your trendline strategy alongside with some smart money concepts. Okay, let's use this trendline as an example. Now, from the origin of the trendline, I have the first touch there, I have the second touch, I have the third one. Our market is about coming to the trend line again. Now, as a trader that I am, I can't just blindly be picking trade right from the trend line like that without adding some confluence to it. Now, if I have to evaluate my analysis now, I will say, okay, I'm not trading trend line just blindly. Okay, let's look at it from SMC approach. You can see that from the first from this place here, I have the BOS here, I have the BOS here, I have the BOS here. So that has confirmed that okay, this market is purely on the uptrend, that is the bullish structures. So I have several BOS already. Now that is number one. So after confirming that is the BOS already here, then below the BOS, this is an IDM, that is an inducement, a liquidity sweep region. So automatically I already have a BOS here. I have a IDM, that is the liquidity sweep region, and again on this place here we have a breaker block here. So now the concept I'm looking for to trade as an SMC trader has already showed on the chart. So I have my BOS there, I have my high DM there, and I have my breaker block there. So on the part of SMC is a valid setup. Now combining the SMC with the trend line, now I have a trend line right from here, which is from this place we have the first touch here, the second one here, we have a something like a week that just touched it and move aggressively upward, and market is now coming back to this place. I can now call this place a third touch. So when market land on this thing now, I'll now be looking for my entry at this region for a buy continuation. In that way, I am not just trading trend line alone blindly. I've added some concept to my trend line that put me on a higher probability than just trading trend line blindly. And again, when I'm entering my trade, I will not just enter right from here. I will combine it with some entry style again. That's why you have this short line on this place. This place is called a counter line. So counter line. So when market break that counter line here, definitely then I'll be looking for my entry at the break of this line. After market touch this place, on this confluence, this breaker block plus trend line, the market will have to break this counter line again. When market do that, then I'll be looking for my buy entry. And that's how I combine the trend line style plus the SMC style. As a trader, whatever you are doing, you have to make sure that you are approaching your trade in a systematic way. Don't just be trading like retail trader, trade like a smart money trader. And that's all the short lesson I have for you today. Thank you.